In this video, I want to show you how to print a picture on photo paper, glossy photo paper, using your HP DeskJet 2855E printer. So let's get started. So step number one, take your photo paper. This is a 4x6 that has one glossy side and the other one is matte. It's not supposed to be printing on the matte side, just on the glossy. If you don't have photo paper, don't worry, I have put Amazon links in the description so you can purchase some. Usually it's cheaper on Amazon and you also support my channel. Go on the back of the printer and remove any paper that is already inserted in the printer. Then let's take a closer look. Open this small flap over here. You're gonna notice there is a blue guide. And depending on which kind of photo paper you're gonna use, you may have to adjust it. If you're printing on 4x6 like I do, it says over here on the cover 4x6. Therefore, I need to bring this guide exactly above the 4x6 line. Place the photo paper with the glossy side facing you. And if you feel that it doesn't enter, just give it a bit more space. Here we go. Now it's much better. So the paper goes on the right side in case it's smaller than US letter size. Come on the display over here. And if you do not see the Wi-Fi button blinking blue, we need to put it in Wi-Fi setup mode. If you see that it's blinking blue, great. Don't do what I will show you next. So I'll press the X button and the Wi-Fi button for 5 seconds. 3, 4, 5, release. Okay, now the Wi-Fi button is blinking blue. I'll take my phone. This is an Android phone, and I will show you how to be able to download the HP app, connect the printer to it, and then we will start printing pictures. Then go on the Google Play Store and you need to download the HP app. Before that, you used to need the HP Smart app or HP Smart. Now they change it and you just need to download HP. Open the app. This is the main screen of the app. Obviously, if it's the first time you're using it, you'll have to accept the term and conditions and a few different things. You will also need to log in into your HP account if you want to use all the available features like printing and scanning. So this is the main page. You're going to need to click the plus icon to add the printer to the app. Then set up a new printer. Then select HP DeskJet 2800 series. Enter the Wi-Fi password of the Wi-Fi network that your Android phone is currently connected to. Right now, this is my Wi-Fi network, so I'll go ahead and type the password and press done once I finished. Wait until you're asked to press the I button on the printer. You see? Go on the printer panel and press I. And the setup will continue on your phone. Press continue. Press accept all or decline optional data. HP will try to sell you some of their subscription service. It's up to you if you want to activate this or not. I'll select do not activate, decline. And here we are on the main screen of the app. Okay, so before starting to print, again, just a reminder, take your photo paper with the glossy side facing you and insert it, okay, in the paper input. Then over here, once you have tapped on your printer, okay, this is the main screen of the app and you may have multiple printers. Tap on your 2800 series. And then go down, select right over here, print photos. Select the pictures or picture you want to print from your phone. In my case, let's say I want to print this one. I'll press done. Select your paper size, very important. Select which kind of paper you have. If you have glossy paper, select gloss paper. This is very important. If not, the colors will smear everywhere. And then right over here, you may have a few different options. If you want to change, if you want to adjust the picture, you can change it. And at the end, once you're happy, press next. Here you can take the small line you see on the display and pull it up to have more options, just to confirm that everything is the way you want. One thing that I always suggest to change is print quality. Instead of automatic, select best. This way you know for sure you get the best out of this printer. Press the print button once you're ready. Extend the paper output. And here we go, we got our result out. Thanks for watching, leave a like, comment, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video.